Had a couple more things roll up for the Torana. Combination of rare spares and resto country and that. So I got the bonnet release cable. Battery tray. Other one was in pretty poor condition, unfortunately. Upper steering column cover goes just down below the ignition barrel. Mine's missing. Rear number plate bracket bungs, I suppose. Bumper kit. Couple of door buttons. I'm missing a couple of the bungs, so I got those as well. And I don't know how I did it, but I managed to order that one and that one. So got a spare one of those. Indicator return springs. That's it up the boot. And good old rare spares kick panels. Might cover those in carpet later or whatever, but yeah. Righto, and I deciphered the numbers on the front of the block there. So it's the 11th day in July 73. So this would be a HQV8, which would be a QT code apparently. Unfortunately, I think this thing's been decked at some stage, so I can't find any numbers. I did have a bit of a scratch and a clean, but for licensing in Western Australia here, you need the chassis number or the VIN number, so that should be enough. So a few more bits and pieces arriving. Pretty much sorted my gearbox now. I've ordered my gearbox. It's going to have a hydraulic clutch and everything in it. Organised all that. I'm going to get a new diff center. I'm going to go 3.25 diff center for the 9-inch. It's a combination, I suppose, of having some fun up and down the hills and also some highway cruising with the M20 in front of it. So there you go. Yeah, bits and pieces. Love it. Love getting presents, even if I've got to buy them myself. Righto, cheers guys.